Are you dreaming of owning your first rental property but struggling to come up with the funds? Say goodbye to traditional financing hurdles and hello to out-of-the-box solutions that can jumpstart your real estate journey. Here are 5 creative ways to raise money and make that dream a reality. Number 1. Crowdfunding. Utilize platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe to reach out to friends, family, and even strangers who believe in your investment goals. Offer rewards or incentives for their contributions. 2. House hacking. Consider buying a multi-unit property and living in one unit while renting out the others. This can help cover your mortgage and expenses while building equity. Number 3. Joint venture. Partner with someone who has the financial resources you lack. Create a mutually beneficial agreement where you both share in the responsibilities and profits of the rental property. Number 4. Side hustle. Take on a part-time job or start a small business to generate extra income specifically for your property investment. Every dollar counts towards your goal. Number 5. Seller financing. Negotiate with the seller to finance the purchase of the property themselves. This can be a win-win situation where you make monthly payments directly to the seller instead of a traditional lender. With these creative strategies, you can raise the money needed to buy your first rental property and start building wealth through real estate investing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on real estate investing.